So what happens when we have a society that's like, here, do this thing, whammo, you get a reward. Wait, do this thing again, whammo, you get a reward. So when they're so close together, um, then that's when we've really, not only do we have a dopamine loop, but it's been hacked, meaning the stimulus is not something from nature, because nothing from nature can do that I'm aware of. Maybe you have some ideas, can give us some ideas about what that might be. But I haven't thought of any. I haven't read of any reading I've done on this subject. It's like the natural world is paced exactly right. Right, it's slow, methodical, cyclical, with sudden bursts of something. But when the most obvious one is when we scroll, the easiest of movements allows you to keep going. Now, why is that more of a hacking kind of dopamine loop than something that just automatically goes to the next show? For example, if you're watching TV, like from a long time ago, they had TV shows, and if you didn't turn it off, it just went to the next show. It's because that was automatic. This is, if you notice, number 3 is you have to do an action. Doing this action is part of the dopamine loop. Observing is not. So we see something, we anticipate or crave it, we do an action, and we get some sort of pleasure. And in that scrolling kind of thing, the pleasure is a relief of the anticipation. That's what, so like we create a problem and relieve the problem, create a problem, relieve the problem. We're never actually getting anything that's adding to our survival, like food, like warmth, like company, relationship. We're just, the relief is the reward, right? And it's the relief from the anticipation. And that because it is faster and faster, the anticipation is also heightened because it is also compressed. So it's not just a shorter period of time, it expands in intensity. And that intensity is not in our cognitive space, it's in our nervous system space. And that's the anxiety and the panicky feeling, the jitteriness, the sudden inability to focus.